Hi guys, I need to show you here what happened in this project. You can see they use different color for densglass. You can see USG and GB, that is Georgia. So the approved submittals not approved for the yellow one, GB, it's approved submittals. So the engineer, he stopped that work and he said tear out the green one, even if it is the same material, but it is not approved. Only GB is approved, the yellow. And here they need to use tape at the seam, and here like tape at the corner. So that's what happened here. You can see they mixed green and yellow. And also here what happened, you can see here at the top, green and yellow, that is not approved. Here what happened, they didn't use damp proofing, for mason, for block. They didn't use damp proofing. So the engineer rejected that stuff. Same thing here. The drawing called for metal flashing, bricks flashing. They use rubber flashing. So that is not approved. That rubber flashing is not approved. Should be metal flashing, Not they put piece of metal here at the end. That is not acceptable. Okay. And here that's flashing. That's the drawing called for 2 inches rigid insulation. They use 1.5 inches. That's one thing. The other thing, the engineer he need the bracket when the bricks go up. He need the bracket go first to hit the densglass, and then put foam between bracket, like here, foam between bracket. Not let the bracket hit the foam and make a crack here. So we need to install the bracket here first, and put foam between, and put tape at the seam. You can see there's no tape at the seam. So he tear out everything, and you can see here that is rubber flashing. It is not acceptable. So they tear out everything. They order more bricks. They will rebuild everything. You can see it. So that's densglass green, not acceptable because it is not approved. And here you can see they tear out everything. You can see that rubber flashing not acceptable. That rigid insulation not acceptable. This 1.5 inches should be 2 inches. That's rubber flashing not acceptable. Okay, I will show you. As you can see, there is no damp proofing here. Okay, should be damp proofing, or it's like weather barrier or moisture barrier, weatherproof. You can see here no damp proofing, and over there you can see green and yellow. Only the yellow one, the GB densglass approved, per approved submittals. That's one thing. That's not acceptable. Rubber should be metal flashing. Follow drawing. We need damp proofing here, corner, tape here, tape at the seam, and like the damp proofing here or the weather barrier should be like tyvek or like liquid, so you can spray it this way and then roll it to other direction. So you can spray it this way and roll it to other direction, like cross. And you need to make sure, check the drawing, check the approved submittals before you do anything. Because look here, everything is stopped. You can see the scaffold is ready, so all that wall tear out Here, same thing. So that's cost a lot of money. Okay, guys. So if you're interested in construction field, just subscribe. And just to mention something to you, the other thing here in this project, you know, at the top of the wall, you can see there's a parapet wall. There's the roof. Okay, but on this side, what they did sheathing, like plywood sheathing, not densglass. So the engineer, he said, you can see on this side here, there's a sheathing under that low is tyvek. So he said that is not parapet wall, that is a roof wall. So he requested to take out the sheathing over there and put densglass, the yellow one, like this wall. So there's a lot of issue here, this project. Please subscribe, I will upload more videos. Thank you, bye.